If you want to turn on the filters in your camera on the Samsung S25 FE, you can do that by clicking on this button over here. Now you will have to go into this icon, the filter icon, and now as you can see, when you swipe to the left or the right side, you can find a lot of different filters. Also, when you slide like this, you can find some changes between strength, color, temperature, contrast, and saturation. You can also download some additional filters by going over here. So we can click on it. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, it will be quickly downloaded. But also you are able to go over here and we can actually use a picture that will actually create a filter. So if you like the look of the specific photo, then you can transfer this one into the filter. So here we have, for example, this one, and that's basically everything for this video.